Hi there, everybody. This is Neha Bhatia. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'll be sharing with you how you can increase your energy immediately, how you can change your self talk, and how you can also find the right direction of your life. But before that, how about you quickly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get regular notifications. Well, somebody has written a question here today, and based on that, I'll be giving you certain insights on how to increase your energy and many other things. So, we have Shilpa here who writes, Hi Neha, I have recently started to experience very low energy. I feel someone is sucking it. I'm a part of a company where we train teachers, but off late I'm not able to perform well. One of the reasons is that I'm questioning myself again and again, is it even taking me in the right direction? Also, I'm a parents coach. I do it on a freelance basis, and that's what my niche is. But being in a joint family, I'm unable to put my energies in the right direction because I'm mostly caught up with family responsibilities. And by the time I get back to my room, I have no energy left. Please suggest what to do. Well, thank you so much, Shilpa, for writing this question to us. And this is something that a lot of people, especially a lot of women who goes through this phase in their life, especially when they want to build their identity, when they want to start up their career. And it's natural for you to experience something like this. The only thing is that I don't want you to be in this stuck state for a very long time. So let me guide you step by step. All right, so the moment we talk about energy, I want you to know one thing that energy, whatever you are absorbing, is not permanent. Either that's negative or that's positive. Energy can be transferred, right? So, something that I always recommend my people to do it is you need to have 2 to 3 energy boosters during the day. Yes, in your entire day, you need to have 2 to 3 energy boosters. Understand the concept of energy first. Let's say you did some yoga and you just got some energy, and then after that, you don't do anything. What will happen is in a few minutes, that energy will start to become stagnant, and then it will just become negligible basically. You will still have energy, of course, but having the right frequency and having that connection of one energy into another, meaning that putting that energy into one action and then another, that is something is very important for you to know when it comes to energy. Okay, so I'll give an example. So for example, I just did my meditation. Okay, and now after that I'm just sitting and doing nothing about it. That energy is going to just get unused. So after doing meditation or any kind of a process, I need to immediately do something, some kind of an action which can probably help me sustain that energy or increase that energy. And when that energy is increased, I need to put that energy into another action. Does that make sense or not? So please note that even if it is working for you in positive, it will also work for you in a negative situation. Let's say you have gained a lot of negative energy for something. Now, if you don't do anything about it, it will automatically not reduce, because when you're thinking about a certain situation, that's where as well the energy is, the mental, the psychological, the emotional energy is being used. Okay, so like you mentioned over here, that I'm questioning myself again and again. Is it even taking me in the right direction? Which means that you have self doubt, you have doubts on the situations around as well. So the thoughts are going in and out, right? So, which means that your mind is completely engaged. Now, when your mind is also engaged, energy is being channelized. But is it being channelized in the right way or the wrong way? Please note that. So, you need to have 2 to 3 energy boosters in the entire day. Like I do my morning process, then I have an afternoon process, say around 4 or 5 ish. It's not really afternoon, but somewhere before 5, I do a little bit of a energy booster shot, and then before I go to bed, I do a shot. So when I go to bed at that time, I just make sure that my energy goes more and more, not low, but more deep, so I can have a nice sleep. So there are people who, let's say, gets up in the morning and they raise their energy to, they do yoga or they do whatever process, and if they don't do anything about it, the energy is just going to go away. But usually if you're working on something, there's a huge chance that you're doing it because you want to put the energy in the right way. Are you understanding this concept of energy? Because this is one of the very important law, the law of energy, that energy can never be destroyed, it can only be transferred, right? So you need to first understand the concept of energy. The second thing, like we mentioned over here about the self talk, instead of asking or saying, uh, is it even taking me in the right direction, you need to start to ask meaningful questions. How can I go in the right direction? Simple. And once you tell that to your subconscious mind, automatically your mind, your surroundings will give you those resources to go forward. Moving forward, now is a very important part. You're living two different lives here, okay? One is that you want to become a parents coach, or you are a parents coach, like you mentioned, you are doing it as a freelancer, but then you're doing some other job as well, right? Which is taking a lot of your energy and your mind. But does that align with your vision or not? Does that align with your vision or not? Please think about it. If that doesn't align with your vision, then naturally you're going to get frustrated. Now let's talk about your family responsibilities. Let's say if you don't have a particular timetable, then people will give you a timetable and you have to work according to them. Even if I may say that your family members, they're amazing people, they're really loving, but you are not asking them the time, right? You are just there, you are being available, and then they're just understanding what was happening before as well. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So now when your priorities are changing in your life, you need to convey that to your family members. Now, there are a lot of people who end up fighting with other people, and they end up with different kinds of fights and arguments with the family members. No, you need to probably bring all your family members, or probably just one person who supports you, and convey to them that I want to prioritize my time. I want to focus on something which is helping me move forward. And when you start to prioritize your time, let's say 10 to 12, you are only going to give to your uh, coaching business, right? And after that, you're going to give to your family, your kids, and then maybe in the evening again you're going to give a little bit of time to your business. So you need to prioritize your time here, okay? Another thing is very important, that a lot of times a lot of women, they don't speak up for themselves, being in a joint family especially, and I have had many clients like that. So I want you to know that when you start to speak for yourself even a little, people do listen, unless they have a lot of doubt on you, or they don't have great you know love for you, they don't have respect for you, then it might take a little bit of time. But if everybody in your family almost supports you, then this issue shouldn't be a big issue. But now comes the last point here, when you mentioned that I'm mostly caught up with family responsibility. By the time I get back to my room, I have no energy left. So the whole problem here is of the energy. Whatever you focus on, the energy will flow towards that direction. And when you mentioned here, uh, uh, okay, so am I even going in the right direction? So which means that you are not clear of your vision. You need to create a proper vision, a proper pathway for yourself, wherein you have your goals set. Now, will you be able to achieve everything that you're thinking of? Maybe not. But at least you know where you are heading. Like again, I would say you should know where you are heading, so people don't tell you to head in their direction. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So please understand that whenever you are working on your energy, it will kind of get distracted, and there will be multiple reasons for it, right? But if you have your vision clear, then automatically all your energies will go in that direction. Does that mean that all day you're going to work? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is to balance your energy by balancing your time. And if you can set your priorities, automatically people will understand that. But hey, you need to ask. If you can't ask from the people that you live with, it's going to be very difficult for you to even sustain this energy that you're creating of having a vision. Because by reading your mail, I can understand that there is someone inside of you who's saying that this life is much more than what you are thinking of. And now you need to create a proper pathway, a proper plan to get there. And you're almost clear. You're a trainer, you're a parents coach, you have already been dealing with some parents, giving them sessions. Now you need to create a proper pathway. So a couple of things that you can do is, we have a very powerful masterclass, Become an Influencing Communicator. Then we have different levels to it. We help you make videos, we help you set up your complete business. We also help you to create a business in such a form that you can earn really well. You can have good number of clients, high paid clients, and your creativity can bring a lot of credit to your bank account. So if you think that you want to be someone like that, and if you want to inspire yourself and others, people can say that, what, she spoke for herself and she's able to create such a business or create such a life for herself, then I think that you need to and you must look forward to your vision and take an action accordingly. You're more than welcome to join our workshops, and you can also take up a membership with us, and we'll be more than happy to serve you, because that is what we believe in. We want to give you a life of freedom and of the vision that you want to go forward with. So with that, thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that we are regularly connected. I'm going to meet you in the next video with a very powerful question. Bye.